Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Before we get started, just a quick reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all helps us keep making these videos. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 222. And if we start with this box, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this box, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 6. 9 here, so 4, 9. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. For this row now, we're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 9, 9 here, so 6, 7, 7 here, so 6, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 9, 9 here, so 1, 8, 9 here, so 1, 8. That means that our 9 has to be here. That 9 makes us our 7, 6, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. And the 4 can't be here or here, so it must be here. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. No help here. 1, 3, 6. 3 here, so 1, 6. And no help here, so 1, 3, 6. If we look at this row, we're missing 2 and 5. And I don't see any help. So 2, 5. 2, 5. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, 6, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so 1, 4, no help here. Well, we've got the 8 here, so 1, 4, 6. 4 here, so 1, 6, 8. And just the 4 here, so 1, 6, 8. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 3, 4, and 5. We've got 3 and 4 here, so 1, 5. No help here. 1, 3, 4, 5. 3 and 5 here, so 1, 4. So now if we look, the only place the 3 can be in this column is here, and then the only place the 5 can be is here. That 5 makes this our 2, 5. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 5, 7, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so 1, 7, 8 here, so 1, 5, 7, 5 and 7 here, so 1, 8. So if we look at that column, the only place the 5 can be is here, and the only place the 7 can be is here. We look at this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got the 2 here, so 1, 6. 2 here, so 1, 6. And that means our 2 has to be here. If we look at this row, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got the 3 here, so 7, 8. No help here, 3, 7, 8. 7 and 8 here. Means this is our 3. We can get rid of this 3 and this 3. Now that means the only place the 3 can be in this box is here. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 7. No help here. 1, 2, 4, 7. 2 and 4 here, so 1, 7. 2 and 7 here, so 1, 4. 2, 7, and 4 here means this is our 1. That makes this our 4, 7, 2. That 1 makes this our 6, 1, 6, 8, 1. That 7 makes this our 8, 7. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here. So 9, 6. This 6 makes this our 1, 8, 1. And that 1 makes this our 4, 6. 4 makes this our 1, 8. And for this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.